Everyone's been hunting for these Miniso Mickey Head in the Clouds blind box keychains, and honestly, I'm the same, because my head's in the clouds like 90% of the time anyway. But here's the catch. There are 6 regular designs, and then there's the super rare 7th one, the dark blue Mickey. The odds of pulling it, basically terrible, like heartbreak levels of terrible. And I've only got 1 box, so if I actually pull the rare Mickey, I'm retiring undefeated as an unboxing legend. If not, yeah, you already know I'll be back for round 2. We're also going to check out some of the other viral fluffy keychains that everyone's been freaking out over. So here we are, a fully grown dino boy stressing out over a plush keychain. This is my life now. Stick around, because we're about to find out if today's the day I actually score the mysterious Mickey LaBubu. So I went all out and ordered a full box straight from a miniso dealer on eBay. And before you ask, yep, they're real, no bootleg Mickeys here. But before we tear into this box of mystery, let's take a quick peek at some of the other viral fluff chains people have literally been scrapping over.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
So first up, I tracked down this collectible Ewok LaBubu plush keychain from Cosbi. It was a Japan exclusive, and of course it sold out instantly. I only managed to snag one off eBay before they disappeared. These were just as tough to score as the Labubus, and they come in 9 different characters and colors. The one I got is the light-colored Wicket, and honestly, he's adorable. It comes in this cute little display box with a window, so I think I'm actually going to keep him boxed for now. Feels too good to open. What do you think? Should I leave him safe in the box or set him free? Drop your comments in the comments. The next hard-to-find plushie keychain I came across was at 5 Below, and get this, they've got their own knockoff Labubus called LaBabies. Total rip-offs, but honestly kinda cute. They come in different sets and colors, and this one is the new Halloween edition. There are 4 in the series, black, purple, brown, and red, but I only managed to grab 2. Each one even comes with its own little name and backstory, which cracks me up. Let's check out the purple one. She's got big ears, a mischievous little face, and a tiny tail. According to the tag, her name is Fifi, a witchy dancing enchantress. Honestly, she looks like she'd hex me for the last slice of pizza. Okay, now we've got the black LaBaby. Look at him. Big ears, cheeky grin, little tail. He looks like he knows something I don't. His tag says his name is Dee Dee, and apparently, he's a vampire LaBaby who likes sipping on things and reading spooky stories. Low-key relatable. I can totally see this one clipped to my camera bag for Halloween. Instant spooky points. I also picked up a couple of the regular LaBabies. But yeah, Dee Dee might be stealing the show right now. So I managed to grab a couple of the regular colored LaBabies, a green one and a blue one. They also come in pink and purple, but these were the ones I found. First up is the green one. His name's Zuzu, and according to the tag, he loves pulling pranks and getting into trouble. Honestly, with that happy little face, I totally believe it. Better keep an eye on him before he raids my snack drawer.
He's so fluffy!
Now for the blue one. This is Gigi. Same grin, big ears, and tiny tail, but her vibe is way different. She's supposed to be a tiny friend with a big heart, and I kinda love that. I also think she'd look perfect clipped to my camera bag or blue jeans. What do you guys think? Altogether, these little LaBabies are actually a fun desk decoration too. Adds some personality to the chaos. But okay, enough LaBaby talk. It's time for the real deal. The Mickey Head in the Clouds unboxing. Alright, here we go. The first Mickey Head in the Clouds. Let's see if I actually pulled the dark blue secret. Drum roll, please. Oh wow, this one's gorgeous. It's the Sunset Glow design with soft pastel pinks and other dreamy colors. She's got the cutest little face, a pink embroidered dove on her ear, tiny corduroy shorts, and even a little tail. Seriously, this one's adorable. And check this out, each figure comes with a transparent collector's card and a matching air freshener. This one's scent is called Garden Whispers, and it actually smells so good. Okay, that's one down. Who's hiding in the next bag? Let's find out. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Oh, nice! It's Thundercloud Mickey! I'll be honest, I like this one way more in person than I did online. The details are actually pretty sick. He's got a gray nose, 3D inset eyes that really pop, and a lightning bolt stitched on his ear. Plus those gray pants, kinda stylish, not gonna lie. The collector's card looks awesome too. And the air freshener? This one smells like orchid or jasmine. Didn't expect that combo, but hey, it works. Honestly, this is a really solid pull. And between you and me, I think I might actually like these more than the Labubus. Big statement, I know, but we've only opened 2 so far, so let's see what's next. And here we go. Oh cool, it's Leisure Rainbow. Kinda an odd name, not gonna lie, but this was actually one of the ones I really wanted besides the secret. I'm a sucker for this shade of green, it's so clean. His eyes match too, nice deep green, and he's got a little rainbow stitched on his ear with matching green shorts. The collector's card looks great, and the air freshener, jasmine scent again, honestly smells amazing. Alright, that makes 3 so far. Let's see what the lineup's looking like. And maybe, just maybe, the secret's coming up next. So far, we've got green, pink, and gray Mickey. And honestly, I'm getting a little nervous. What if the secret's not in here? Please, let the next one be the rare one. I'm not ready for heartbreak today. I think I'm feeling generous today. So stay tuned, because there might be a giveaway coming up. Oh wait, look at that. It's Mustard Mickey, or as Miniso likes to call him, Long Track. He's a rich golden color with baby blue eyes, corduroy shorts, and a shiny metal keyring. There's even a tiny airplane stitched on his ear. Looks like he's booked a flight to Disney World. Not gonna lie, this one's not exactly my favorite color, but it's still cool to have him in the full set. Gotta complete the squad, right? And now, a quick word from today's sponsor, which is just me, because, no one else signed up yet. If we hit 5,000 subscribers by October 31st, 2025, I'll give away my extra Labubu. Yep, you heard me. So smash that like, subscribe, and share button and drop a comment with your favorite Labubu set and color. And don't forget to share this with a friend who loves Pop Mart too. Alright, who do we have here? It's Red Cloud. This one's a deep pink with some yellow accents. Honestly, it looks way better in person. His eyes are dark pink too. I kinda wish they had sparkles, but still super cute. He's rocking red corduroy shorts, so you could totally wear him as a Christmas accessory. On his ear, there's a little fire symbol. Pretty cool detail. His collector's card is clear, and the air freshener smells like orange blossom, which is surprisingly nice. That makes number 5, which means 1 more to go. I'm actually getting nervous now. Could the last one finally be the dark blue secret Mickey? Wish me luck. Alright, quick lineup check. We've got light green Mickey, pastel Mickey, gray Mickey, gold Mickey, and dark pink Mickey. That's 5 down, which means the only one left has to be the dark blue secret, right? I'm actually nervous. This bag feels a little different. Could this be it? Let's find out. It is Sunny Skies. No! I really thought this was going to be the secret Mickey. I got my hopes up for nothing. Oh well, the hunt continues. At least it's still a solid pull. The light blue color's super nice, and the Bluebell scented air freshener actually smells amazing. Definitely gonna match this one with my blue jeans and bag. And don't forget, if I hit 5,000 subscribers by October 31st, 2025, I'll be giving away a brand new Labubu keychain. So hit that like and subscribe button, and drop a comment if you want in on the fun. Until next time, keep snacking, keep hunting, and good luck on your own search for the secret Mickey.